Hello everybody, good morning. Welcome to our new trading session today on Tuesday, 12th of June. Welcome, welcome Emma, welcome Fanos, welcome Jenna. Welcome everybody. You are there? If you are there, just use our chat to let me know that we can start. It's burning already in my hands. I need to put some trades, guys. It's burning, it's burning. So let me see. Let me see. You are all ready? Ready to start? Guys, are you ready? Hello, Joanna. Welcome. Welcome, welcome to our trading session this morning. Everything opened, every nice trade is nice trades are waiting out there for us, guys, getting ready. Everything looks quite interesting today. Yes, I see. Let's go for the next one. Also interesting. When you are there, just let me know on chat so we can start and you don't miss our nice trading session. So we are here today again with me and Kyriakos. We're getting ready for the forex markets and the indices. So the last 2 minutes before we kick off, it's already burning in my hands to put some trades. So very nice. In 1 minute, we will start. Good morning, Patrick. Welcome. Hello, hello. Welcome to this wonderful trading day. I can't wait to start. What about you, Patrick? Your dream will come true, hopefully. Hopefully it will come true, Patrick. We will make some money, hopefully. We had a wonderful start in the day. The indices opened with huge volatility today again. And then they had a sharp drop, and we are getting ready to make some money on this. We are getting ready. So let's start. Everybody ready? Are you ready? We start right now. Today, again with me, my colleague Kyriakos to kick off the Forex market. Me, myself, here for you to make some trades on indices and metals and commodities. So let's start with our favorite asset, DAX. What is our favorite asset? DAX. Yes. So, yes, Trump and Kim agreed. That's why we had a huge spike in the opening, and then once the news came out, everything dropped. And you see it on the US shares, you see it on the US indices, you see this movement as well. You see everything is down here, down. That's why it's burning in my fingers to start slowly. So, yeah, by expectation, well, we missed for the moment the nice sell possibility. I expect in a short while to hit as buy signal, and that's why it's burning in my hand. And until that time comes, we are looking at European ones. So as you can see here on the European ones, we had a nice opening and then a sharp drop, and I expect to go, and there we have our first trade. Yes, it's a great formation. You see here on France 40, it hit the lower Bollinger Band. It seems that we will have a crossover here on the stochastic oscillator. We go long over here. We open a long position on CAC, and we did already. Let me see where we put our target price. Our target price will be let me see. I will put our target price at 5,485. 5,485. And also our stop loss, I will put our stop loss as 5,450. 5,450. That's the way we want it. Let's go. Yes. Oh, why it didn't make the changes that we wanted. However, we will do it right now. 5,485 is our take profit, and our stop loss is 5,460. Let's put it there. And there we go. There we go, guys. I'm writing it down. Oh, I see Kyriakos kicked off already and opened several trades. I will pass him in a short while to Kyriakos to update you about his trades. We went long on CAC 40 at 5,474, and our take profit is 5,485, and our stop loss is 5,460. Guys, this is our first trade for today. We put a quite narrow trading range because the news from Kim and Trump will affect the markets, and we will see how we can react and trade on that. So this was our first trade on CAC. We went long. Next one, DAX. DAX is still in a waiting mode. I had already this morning a trade. I will show it to you. I traded this morning this high, this sharp movement, but I got greedy and I didn't close my position, and then it dropped and hit my take profit. But however, we have plenty of time today to recover. So on UK 100, what we have on UK 100, it is very close to a support level. I'm looking at the support level. So there is currently not much to get. Next one, USA 100, as we said, it's a very, very interesting asset today to check. USA 100, Dow Jones, and S&P. So let's have a look on Dow Jones. Looks interesting. Next one, Italy 40. Now much movement, but we will get over here on Italy 40. We will get nice movement. We check right now what is the expected direction and the trend of the asset. So Italy 40, Nasdaq, so Dow Jones. Silver, we had a very nice opportunity yesterday on silver and we missed it. Gold looks interesting. Brent oil, very nice uptrend on Brent oil. What you think, Shaw? Yes, I will open another Brent oil position this morning. The profits are, yes, I will go long on Brent oil. If you ask yourself why, I see a breakout from the Bollinger Bands. You see over here how narrow the bands, the Bollinger Bands were here, how narrow, and I see a huge breakout, and I believe we can get something out here out of the trend, and it goes still in our direction. This is how we want it. So let's see also oil. Before we see oil, let's make our target price. For the target price, we go on a bit long-term picture. Okay, I will put our target price at I will put our target price a bit lower than yesterday's high, because I believe it's a very strong support point over there. So I will put it a bit lower so it will get triggered hopefully soon. And this is at 77,450. And our stop loss, we put our stop loss on yesterday's low, which is yesterday's low. It's around, let me see, it's 73 point 300. Yes, it's at 300. Let's put it at 70. Yes, at 75. 340. There we go. We have another position. We opened another position on Brent oil long at 76.949, and our stop loss is at 75.340, and our take profit is at 77.45. There we go. Our second trade from me this morning. Looks nice, looks promising, and we see how it will continue. Next one, oil. Let's see how oil moves. Oil had also this sharp breakout. It is right now in the bubble. Let's see what is happening over there. No clear signal, but we will see. So back to our France 40. We went long. Right now it's dropping a bit down. If somebody wants to follow me, could enter right now with a better price on France 40. Now I will pass now to my colleague Kyriakos to kick off the forex market. Hello, Richard. Welcome, welcome. So DAX, overall, it looks like short, Patrick, but I'm looking for a good entry. Right now, it's not a very clear entry. That's why you shorted it. George, you shorted it. Okay, okay, guys, I'm going with you. We go short on DAX. There we go. We went short on DAX. And our stop loss and take profits. There we go. So, great. We are short on DAX at 845.80 and our stop loss is at 12,883 and our take profit is at 12,837. There we go, and this is how it should be. It should give us some profits. Now, from now, ching ching. Hey, Adrian, welcome. We are not there to make ching ching, but we are getting there, no problem. We opened 3 positions until now, Adrian. For everybody who just entered, it's on, we are long on CAC. Yes, we are long on France 40, we are long on Brent oil, and we are short on DAX, and we are going to get some nice moments today. Now I will pass to my colleague. Oil we didn't enter yet. Oil we didn't enter because, oh yes, there was a nice movement on oil. Let's see. Shall we open another? I will open also oil, a short position on oil. Yes, I opened a short position on oil. Yes, Patrick, I opened also a short position, but here I don't aim a lot of movement. I aim a short movement with some profits. So I will put my take profit on, let me see, 66,355, and my stop loss, let's see how it goes. On 66,900. 66,900. This is a bit, this is not a good, however. Oh yes, definitely, Patrick, definitely. It will affect a lot the markets right now. Whatever happens right now, whatever he will say, it will affect the markets. So so be aware if you make profits and you see that the asset you are trading is dropping. capture your profits and watch out the volatility on the market. Let's attack, right? Let's attack. So I will pass. I see Richard has question about Forex. I will pass directly to Kyriakos to kick the markets, and I will see you in a short while.
Unmuted.
So good morning everyone from Trademy's FX trading desk. This is Kyriakos Harilaou talking, and I welcome you all to this session. Good morning, George, good morning Adrian, good morning Richard. As you have seen so far, we have entered some positions in the morning. We have entered the long position on CAD yen, and you can see CAD yen pair here. We have seen a squeeze and breakout on the Bollinger Bands, and we have combined that with a positive divergence on RSI. Good morning, Matthew. Good morning, Richard. For this case, we only care about stop losses today. I'm leaving the take profits open for all trades. So our first trade for today, we went long because we saw a squeeze and breakout signal on the 5 minute of the Bollinger Bands. I'm leaving them open because I will be closely monitoring them. What I'm interested is to protect my risk, and that's what I'm doing. I'm protecting Dean my risk. So as soon as I see something that I don't like, I will close them manually, either with a profit or most probably with a loss. But it depends. We will monitor them and decide accordingly. So our first trade for today, we went long CAD yen, and also we have shorted USD CHF. Let me put on my chart USD CHF. For the same reason, we have seen a nice rally walking on the bands, a bearish walking on the bands. We have shorted it here, very tight stop loss. We will keep an eye on it, and if I see any bullish signals on $CHF, we will close it manually. I'm satisfied with around $600-700 profit so for each trade, so I will keep an eye on them and decide accordingly. Moreover, we have entered, let me check, we have placed a sell stop order on New Zealand Canadian dollar. Let me explain what I have seen here. We have seen a bearish cross of the stochastic. The Bollinger Bands we have a transition from high volatility to low volatility again, but I want a failure swing to be completed. That's why we have placed a sell stop order here. What happened with the $CHF? Why so big drop? Don't forget, Matthew, that $CHF is a mirror currency of euro-dollar. If euro-dollar goes up, $CHF goes down. And let me explain what I mean. If I put, for example, here euro-dollar, you see that there is a rally on the euro-dollar. On the contrary scenario, if I put USD CHF, you see that is the equivalent move, but to the opposite side. Did I answer your question? It's because of the rally on euro-dollar. Dollar CHF is a derivative of euro-dollar and euro CHF. If euro CHF stays stable or doesn't move at all, so let's see euro CHF, for example, you see euro CHF is stable. Euro-dollar rallies, and this has a negative impact, a sharp decline on dollar CHF. Does this make sense, Richard? Excellent, excellent. What do you think will happen with the buck today? Maybe we see some drops, or it will normalize. By telling me the buck, you mean the dollar, Dean? Euro dollar? Do you have any particular FX pair in mind? USD pairs. I cannot talk in general about. I cannot talk about specific. In general, we observe a weakness this morning on US dollar, and we expect this weakness to continue. For me, the target price of euro dollar is 1.19 in the next 1-2 weeks. So 1.19 should be the level that we should watch out for euro dollar. 1.19. So, so far, these are the trades we have placed. I repeat, we have placed a buy position on CAD yen with an open profit and a stop loss at 84.83. We have shorted dollar CHF with a very tight stop loss. We leave the trade, we leave the profit again open. As I said, if we get around $500, $600, $700 and we observe anything bullish on the chart, we will close them manually. Let us now have a look in case we have any other trades. Dollar yen seems very attractive. However, we definitely need to see, you see the Bollinger Bands here, they have narrowed a lot. So I'm waiting for a squeeze, a breakout signal, either on the upside or on the downside. So we will keep monitoring dollar yen. Let's see pound CHF. We are too late for that. Dollar CAD still needs to be developed. Aussie dollar, I don't see a low volatility trade here. Euro GBP, we are too late for short positions. Pound Aussie, we are too late for long positions. The movement has already happened. You are in my mind, DIN, Euro Yen. No, I need a squeeze of the Bollinger Bands like here, for example, in order to enter any trades. The bands are wide open. New Zealand CAD, we already have one. Pound dollar is too late. The Kiwi is getting there, so we will monitor Kiwi as well. Dollar CHF, we have traded it. Aussie CAD, big bands, great volatility, not unpredictable movement, volatility. You don't know where you will put your stop loss. If you have narrow bands and it will break, then you know where to put your stop loss. And not only that, it will be also very tight. Like for example, here on CAD yen, I saw a close above the Bollinger Bands. I have entered long, and I know that my stop loss is at the lower Bollinger Bands. Now, if we have a pseudo break of the Bollinger Bands, like this case, for example, it breaks up and then bam, comes down and hits our stop loss, these things happen. Okay, so let's continue. New Zealand USD is getting there, so I will concentrate on these two pairs for the moment. It seems that we will have a short position trade in a while on dollar yen. As soon as we see a close below the Bollinger Bands, we will go for short. Okay, let's go short position dollar yen. We have just shorted market price dollar yen. Let me post it as well. Short USD Japanese yen. Our stop loss now, and look how nicely it starts to fall. Our stop loss should be above the upper band, approximately at 110.40. So 110.4 is our stop loss. We leave our TP open. We don't want to cut the profits. A big movement is expected. So 110.40 is our stop loss. And as I said, I'm expecting around, let's see, around $600, $700. As we can observe, our trade on CAD yen hit stop loss. Now we can try it again. If it closes below the lower Bollinger Bands, we can try it for a short position. So we are getting ready for a short position on CAD yen. We need to wait for the candle to close below the Bollinger Bands, and we will go for it. Just a second, we wait. So we are entering now short CAD yen. Our stop loss now should be a bit above the upper Bollinger Band, 84.95. And we leave our TP open. So we will short it now. We are shorting the CAD yen, okay, with the stop loss at 84.95. It has broken below the Bollinger Band, so it seems to be a good trading opportunity. So let's see how our dollar yen is doing. The dollar yen, we have observed a squeeze and breakout. This is a very good signal. Dollar CHF is still needs some time to convince itself that it's going down. Our New Zealand Canadian position here, we have placed a sell stop, but is not triggered yet. We want the break below in order for this position to be triggered. As I said, we have hit stop loss on CAD yen on our long position. Now we see a clear close below the Bollinger Bands. So that's why we have entered a new short position on that. The dangerous situation about CAD yen is that it's within a trading range. I hope it doesn't troubles us a lot and eventually gets a direction towards our side. So let me continue with other pairs. We have taken our trades. Aussie CAD, nothing to say there. Aussie yen. Aussie yen is another interesting pair. We see that the Bollinger Bands are really close to each other. Again, I will place here a sell stop order at 83.88.5. So we are placing a sell stop order 83.88.5. So 83.885 we will place our sell stop order. So let me pause that. So sell stop Aussie yen at 83.885. If this is triggered, then our stop loss is at 84.10. 84.10 is our stop loss. Let me put it here as well. And we leave the take profit open and we will close it when we wish to do that. So we have placed also a sell stop. The CAD yen trade is doing fine. The dollar yen trade is doing fine. Our third trade was dollar CHF. Let me put it also this trade on the chart. Let's concentrate on the open trades. Dollar CHF, a small rebound. Let's see how it will behave. And for the moment, this is what we have for Forex. Okay, a lot of interest is for the indices, so I'm transferring you now to Elif for an update on the indices. Elif, are you ready to make money? All right.
Thank you, Kyriakos. So yes, a lot of movement on the indices. It's moving crazily. It's moving crazily, as you can see. Oil, we are short on oil. It's dropping. DAX is getting crazy, moving down and up, and I'm looking for a great opportunity to exit. And Brent oil is still getting there, not really moving as we want, not yet, but it will get there. With France 40, I'm a bit concerned about France 40, but I will stick on it. I will stick if the price comes close to this support level over here, which I will mark, and it will start to bounce back. I will open another one buy position over here to capture all these profits from this move over here. This is what I will do. On DAX, yes, DAX is giving some profits right now. What about you? Yes, crude oil is currently not giving us profit, but Brent oil is not giving us profits right now, but it will get there, no problem, no worries. So oil, there is a nice movement. We put a very conservative take profit here on oil. And why Brent, not crude? We have both open. Patrick, we have both open. We have a oil position, a crude oil position, and a Brent oil position right now open. So yes, Patrick, no, he pays attention, no worry. So oh, our DAX position, ching ching, hit take profit, and we made 400 $5 on DAX. Ching, ching. Ching, ching. Yeah. That's good. That's good. We made there some money. And let's have a close look if we can, how it looks, if we can make another trade over there. Let's recover it. It was a great place to exit. Nice, nice, nice. George, you closed your position. What you made? How much you made, George? So, ching, ching. Nice moment. The first profit. Good. Good, good, George. Not bad for early morning. Ellen, don't get greedy. Don't get greedy. So, on France 40, as I said, we will watch it out once it bounces back on our level. We will enter a buy position, another buy position to get the movement. So we are very close to do so. Let's see it in a shorter. Yes, I see we have here a downtrend, but it starts to struggle, and we will enter here. Yes, we will enter shortly here a buy position. We need to see if it bounces back. If it doesn't, we will go short. We will hedge our position, the one which we have right now. If we see that it will not bounce back over here, and it will break it through and go down, and still the trend will continue, then we will hedge our position and open another one sell position. But if it bounces back, and it looks like it will bounce back, we go again for a buy position. Then we will have two buy positions, and we will get the profits out of this movement here. This is what we will do. You like my strategy? What do you think about it? So on DAX bounced back. You see, nice. We had a great exit price. You see, guys, it hit our take profit, and then it started to go up right now. And also here, we might go in a short while also here for a long position, because we expect the move to go in this way, a wavy day. Yes, Richard, this is what I said. We wait to break, or if it's bouncing back, and accordingly we will react. So accordingly we will react. Let's see what is our UK 100 position doing. Also the same picture, opened with a gap and then dropped down. Now downtrend. USA 100. Let's see the others. Maybe it's time for us to go long on all US indices. Looks interesting and promising. On Italy 40, Hadi guys, I will go on Italy 40. It shouldn't stay behind our Italy 40. It is a nice entry point. I go long on Italy 40. I go long on Italy 40. I just opened a position on Italy 40, and I put my target price is 22,140, and pray. No, trading is not with praying. Trading is based on knowledge and not on beliefs. So our Italy 40, our target price is 22,140, and our stop loss is Shall we be a bit more aggressive over here? Yes, I will be a bit more aggressive and take some risks because there we go. There we go. I put a quite narrow take profit and a wider stop loss. Why? Why I do so? Because I am on top of it and I will react immediately on the movement. So our Italy 40 position is already in profit, 61 bucks, not bad for 1 second of a trade, and it will go there. Let's see before we continue if our CAC position is ready to open another one CAC buy position. Once again, I'm now trying to increase my exposure. Once I see a nice entry level, I will increase my exposure and open another one CAC position to get the move. DAX, what is DAX doing? It's here in this level waiting to decide if we should go long or short, but I have to say we had a great decision by taking our money over there. We made some money on DAX this morning, 405 bucks, not bad. So next one, UK 100. Still no clear pattern here. Nasdaq, yes, on Nasdaq. Basically on Nasdaq we are, on all US indices. Guys, be ready on the US indices. We might open 3 positions on each of them to make some profits over there. Let's see what is silver and gold is doing. Gold and silver, very steady. Very steady. No clear patterns, steady movements. So oil, we have on Brent oil a position, and on our Brent oil position, we are losing right now 50 bucks. It's okay, it will recover over here. You see it had a jump during our session, and now it's getting it's recovering. Oil is getting there. Oil is getting there as we want. It's giving us small profits, moving slowly. All is good on oil. Let oil being there, moving by itself. Go for France to see once again if we can enter it or not. Not yet. Yes, I see Kyriakos wants to enter. Guys, keep an eye on chat. I might jump and tell you that I open France 40 position. So I'm passing to Kyriakos. He has an urgent update.
Thank you, Elif, for the wonderful CFD indices opening. I'm sharing my screen now. As you can see, we are ready to place 2 more positions on Kiwi and on Aussie dollar. We observe the so-called squeeze on the Bollinger Bands. On both pairs, it's going to be either side breakout. We will act like a killer as soon as it breaks to the upside or to the downside. At either side, we will go with them. So we are closely monitoring now 2 pairs, and which are highly correlated, but don't be surprised to short Kiwi and long Aussie dollar. It doesn't necessarily mean that they will follow the same direction. So we observe here a squeeze signal on the Bollinger Bands. We expect a violent move either to the upside or to the downside. Same for Aussie dollar. So for the moment, we have shorted dollar CHF. We went short dollar yen, and we have shorted also CAD yen. We didn't move yet. We have placed our stop losses and we leave our take profits open because we cannot predict how much the drop or the rise will be. Any trade who gives us above $500-600, we will say thank you and close it manually. So bear with us because we might close some positions in an instant. Further, we have placed sell stop orders on New Zealand Canadian dollar and a sell stop order on Aussie yen. These orders have not yet been triggered. So we are closely monitoring now these two pairs, the Kiwi and Aussie dollar. These are the two pairs that have attracted my attention, and the reason is because, I repeat again, we have a transition from high volatility to low volatility. The Bollinger Bands have squeezed a lot. See how close they are to each other. It's going to be in any minute an either side breakout, and we will go with them. So please bear with us. Don't miss this opportunity. We strongly believe in these signals. They are very reliable, especially if these bands are very close to each other. So we are monitoring them closely and we will update you accordingly. Let me go a quick roundup across the board, the Forex board. Euro dollar, nothing attractive yet. Pound CHF, too much volatility. We don't know if it's going to up or down. Dollar CAD. All right, dollar CAD, we have another squeeze scenario. This stays on our watch list. We will closely monitor that. Aussie dollar, we are monitoring that. Euro pound, it doesn't know what to do. The same for pound Aussie. Euro yen, okay. Euro yen is also on our watch list. So let's wait and see, guys, what will happen. Let me go around the corner with other pairs. New Zealand CAD. We had our order, pound dollar, no. The Kiwi, we have it. Dollar CHF, we have it. Dollar CAD, we have it. Aussie CAD, let me check Aussie CAD, nothing interesting there. Aussie yen, we have an order. Pound CAD, no, it's not attractive. Euro CHF, not ready yet. Euro Aussie, not ready yet. And pound yen, too much volatility. So I will put also Euro yen on my chart and I will be closely monitoring these four pairs. These four pairs are ready for a squeeze and breakout trade. So we are closely monitoring them. At any minute, we should observe a big movement on these pairs. So it's New Zealand USD or the Kiwi, Aussie dollar, dollar CAD, and Euro yen. It's going to be either side breakout. This is the current Forex update for the moment. Our trades, the dollar CHF is still standing there, just 4 pips away from our stop loss. The dollar yen is in the money. The CAD yen does not move. We will see how it goes. So we have 4 upcoming trades for the moment to watch out regarding the squeeze and breakout signal of the Bollinger Bands. So we need just wait and follow where the markets will tell you to go. Remember that for today we are leaving our TPs open because we are making volatility trading today. We don't know how much the profits will be. I repeat that a figure around $500-600 will be more than satisfied on each trade, and we will close them manually. Also, as the trade develops, we can also adjust our stop loss. Please don't forget to visit our website. If you don't know what is volatility trading with the Bollinger Bands, please feel free to visit our website, trademy.com. We have a great educational team there. They can assist you and identify for you the best training program that best suits your needs and your trading tactics. Also, you can follow us on Twitter at Trademy A, and of course, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel at Trademy Trading Academy. Our new Facebook page just came out, so you can like our Facebook page at Trademy Education, Trademy Training Education. So it seems that we are ready to place some trades. Most probably it's going to be short positions. We are closely monitoring now the Kiwi and the Aussie dollar and the Euro yen. Most probably we will have on all three short positions. So at any minute now, as soon as we see close below the lower Bollinger Bands, we will short them. So we are getting closer. Euro dollar is falling. It seems that it's falling, yes, and this has an impact, Alan, on our dollar CHF trade. As soon as you place the trade, Alan, don't stick to it. Look for other opportunities and let the trade develop. You don't need to be emotional. I have shorted dollar CHF. I'm losing $230. I don't care. I'm looking for new opportunities. As soon as you push the button, Alan, unfortunately, there is nothing to be done. Okay, so just concentrate on other pairs and don't get emotional with the current trade that is under development. And don't forget, a trade is still running unless it hits stop loss or take profit. All right, and always have in mind about your money management rules. Okay, if you feel comfortable with the money management rules, believe me, you have nothing to be afraid of. Besides that, I would like to inform you that we, the mentors, me and Elif, we are always next to you in case you want to arrange a one-to-one session and ask for our opinion regarding trading system developments. Okay, Elif, you have some questions. I'm transferring you now to answer them, okay?
Hello guys, welcome back. Yes, George, yes, we will stick on our DAX position. That's totally okay how it's moving. No worry, it's we will stick on it and it will go long. As we said, we put our stop, our target prices very close, so it will hit. We don't aim over here for big movements, and that's why I don't have a worry about it. About Italy 40, everybody who entered with me Italy 40, we are making some money over there. I will not stick very long on this position. I will not get very greedy on it. I'm aiming a profit around 600-700 euros, and then I will exit this position because it is a quite narrow Bollinger Band thing. That's why I squeeze. That's why I don't go for a big profit here on Italy 40. Anybody entered with me Italy 40? Whoever did, just be a bit aware what I'm doing. And yeah, Alan, be aware what I'm doing, and if you like, follow me. Great. Really? Ah, you entered quite late. I see. No, I'm making money currently. It's good, and we will get there. So, France, we opened another position, as I said, on France 40. And as you see, it's all the time on the same level. As you see, it's hitting this support level, and accordingly, it will. Yes, it's hitting, and I expect, according to my indicators, that the movement will be upwards. That's why I have 2 buy positions on France 40. So, Jenna, welcome. She has a question about Nasdaq. Let's have a look on Nasdaq. There we go. Nasdaq, yes, Nasdaq is interesting, but still also here we are a bit the fundamentals on Nasdaq, They are really interesting today because, as you know, in Singapore, Kim and Trump are meeting. That's why I expect, yeah, little Kim, they are meeting. That's why I expect a big of volatility over there, which is nice. And that's why I'm a bit concerned to enter right now any of the American assets. That's why I will not do it. Guys, Italy 40, get ready, get ready. Get ready, guys, get ready. We will close it. Whoever is with me in Italy 40, let's the baby, give me the nice price I'm looking for. Give me a nice price I'm looking for. I'm looking for a nice price so I can close. Yes, this is what I want. Go up, go up. I see on the 1 minute chart that the price will go a bit. Yes, Jake, make Italy 40 great again. Yeah, no, I'm expecting on the 1 minute chart that the price will go up. That's why I'm not closing it. That's why I'm waiting. I see also my my oil position is, yes, my oil position, ching ching, a small profit on oil, 40 bucks on oil we made. Our take profit got hit and we made 40 bucks on oil. Not much, but well, it's something, right? So going back to Italy. Going back to Italy, okay, the price dropped. Never mind, we will wait. I'm aiming over there around 700 euros of profit. That's why I keep it. So now currently we have 2 France 40 positions open, Germany DAX position open, and Italy 40 position open. With our CAC position, as I said, and once again, you see, guys, yes, Ellen, the spread is on the indices a bit higher than other. Wait a minute, if we should exit France 40, no, we will not. We stick on it. You see, it's coming all the time and hitting all the time the same level and going back. So it's all the time hitting at the same level. It's all the time hitting at the same level and going back. Yes, but still the spreads here are not that bad as on other platforms. That's why I like to trade here. So ching ching on oil, that's good. I see Kyriakos is asking for a short, to give you a short recap what's going on. So ching ching, congratulations, Ellen. That's the way we like it.
So hello guys, welcome back to the FX trading desk. As you can see, our profits are now accumulating. As I said that if I see a $500-600 trade profit, I will close it. So dollar yen is actually making us currently $450. Euro yen is making us around $300, and CAD yen is making us around $260. So what I say, let's take this profit. It's around $800. It's just 10 minutes of trading. So we take these profits and let's take the profits, let them run. So we have made around $900 in 10 minutes, just 10 minutes, $900. We still have a few trades developing. So that's not bad at all for 10 minutes. That's $900 for 10 minutes. We have entered the short position on the Kiwi and we are also short dollar CHF, and our Aussie yen trade was triggered, and also our New Zealand Canadian trade is getting there. Plenty of opportunities today to trade. Many more will come. So $900 in 10 minutes, that's not bad at all, especially for Forex intraday trading. Alan, I repeat myself, if you see here it's minus, then it means that you have a better price. If it is plus, then don't join the trade because you will get it worse than me, and I don't want that. So sorry for the interruption, Elif. That's all I wanted to say. I will come back. I'm closely monitoring everything and let you know. Is it okay? All
Yeah,
right.
yeah.
Let's transfer.
Thank you, Kyriakos. And we had a ching moment, guys. We closed Italy 40 position, ching, with $1,004. $1,004 within less than 20 minutes. So ching on Italy 40. So let's make Italy great again. Overall, we had a one DAX position in which we made $400. On Italy 40, we made 100. Okay, you can't see my screen. Sorry, I got a bit enthusiastic here. Let me see. I'm giving you my screen. You see it right now? Yes, we do. There we go. Yes, we made money on Italy 40. That's nice. Now we have still open positions on CAC. And as you see over here, it's all the time hitting against this level where we entered another one position on CAC. And here it will go up and it will turn. It's very obvious for me because it hit 1, 2, 3, 4 times already in the last half an hour, and I'm expecting it to go up and we will make some profits here as well. Great. Going next step on DAX. On DAX we have also the same picture as with CAC. We opened a position on DAX, buy position, and I'm expecting the price to go up. You see the Bollinger cloud is closing now, and then it will go to the upper Bollinger Band. So Ellen, long on Nasdaq. Let's have a look on Nasdaq. It looks good. Yes, it looks good, Ellen. It looks good, Ellen. If we check the 1 hour chart, we see that it might go for a short while still down, but still it looks good. I think we can enter it. Ellen, you mean long? Or look, it looks on, if you check it on the 1 hour chart, which means that you make a prediction for the next 4 hours, it looks like it might go down, okay, for a while. So, but on the 15 minutes charts, which you see, okay, I'm trading a very short time frame. There it looks that you can go long for a bit, but don't aim big profits here because I don't expect a big movement. It will go a bit up and then continue its downtrend. However, on DAX, we have movement. On DAX, we had it started to go in our direction as we wanted. Great. For anybody who didn't enter with me DAX and would like to do so, I think it's a nice time to go long on DAX if you are interested. So let's see further. Italy 40, it was a great time to exit. Yeah, George, you love DAX. Yes. It was a good time to exit the market because you see it started to drop a bit. And I think we made a good deal over there. Going back to France, also France started to recover. As we said, it hit several times the same level over here, the same support level in which we bought our second position. And I'm quite sure that until this afternoon session where we will meet again, the price will climb up and we will make profits here as well. Great. Great, great, great. Richard, you are looking for the FTSE. Let's have a look at FTSE. Well, it's not bad. It's not bad. It has a downtrend, general downtrend today, but it looks like a reversal. It looks currently like a reversal. No, it's not bad. Come on, Ellen. But for me personally, I couldn't enter it right now because it's too late for me to enter. That's why I'm saying it doesn't look bad. But for me, it's too late. I couldn't enter. So we have also still a position open on Brent oil. Also here, we are observing closely on what's going on with Brent oil, and we put our target prices and we will keep over here very closely on top of it. So I see Joanna made some money on Euro USD. Nice to hear. Ching ching, it's always good. So from my side, currently we have open positions on CAC and we have open positions on DAX, and we keep them and see how they develop. And I'm sure until the afternoon, they will give us some money in. So, Kyriakos, would you like to? Okay,
Of course.
Kyriakos would like to talk.
Yes, of course.
Pass.
So thank you very much, Elif. I'm just monitoring now euro dollar, and Joanna, I'm getting ready to short it actually. So the three pairs that we will short is most probably Aussie dollar, Aussie CAD, and maybe euro dollar. So the first candidate for me is Aussie dollar to short it. So we are getting ready for a short position on Aussie dollar with a stop loss at 76.21. 76.21. Remember that we are doing volatility trading. It seems that it will break, so we are shorting now Aussie dollar. We have just shorted it. So let me pause that. We have shorted Aussie USD. Stop loss 0.7621. We leave our TP open. This is volatility trading that we are doing today. The next trade that we are getting ready to short is most probably Aussie Canadian dollar. If it breaks below the lower Bollinger Band, and also we are getting ready to short as well euro dollar. So I'm getting ready to short euro dollar. Great volatility. That's what we are asking in the forex markets, especially for intraday trading purposes. Our stop loss will be at 1.1805. So that's our stop loss for euro dollar. The only thing that we need to see is to break below MA50 on the 5-minute chart. Aussie dollar is doing well. Let's see how it develops. Remember that if we see a figure around $600-700 there, we will close our positions. our profitable positions. We are more than happy. And let's see Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar is falling. Euro dollar is still holding. We are waiting for a short position, I repeat, on euro dollar and Aussie Canadian dollar. We are approaching. We have already entered a short position on Aussie dollar, a nice squeeze and breakout. Always the stop loss should be above the upper Bollinger Band, and that is exactly what we have done. As you can see, our dollar CHF trade is already in profits. It has returned back to profits. All of our trades are close to the prices we have entered them, so we don't have an outlier there on losses. So we are monitoring now euro dollar and Aussie CAD. Let's see which of the two will give us the short trade. It seems that Aussie CAD will come first. So let me prepare myself for Aussie CAD for a short position. Our dollar CHF trade is doing fine. So let's see how it will develop. Let's see, dollar CHF, come on, break, break, break. We definitely want to see here around $500 profit. So we need a break on dollar CHF. We are looking at it here. This is dollar CHF. We need to see a break of dollar CHF to the downside to accumulate some nice profits. Aussie dollar, as you can see, is already in the money. It's just the spread costs. So we are waiting for a short position either on euro dollar or dollar CAD. Okay, something is going on here now. The markets show volatility. That's what we are looking for. We are still waiting for the Aussie CAD trade to give us a short position. What I'm waiting on Aussie CAD to see a close below the lower Bollinger Band, and we will see what happens. So these are the three pairs on my watch list, two pairs actually now. As I said, it's not a good idea to keep monitoring the pairs that you have traded, you have placed your stop loss, you have secured your risk, you need to move on. That's why I will make now a quick roundup. I'm monitoring euro dollar and Aussie CAD. We have already traded Aussie dollar and dollar CHF. There is no point to watch them on the chart. Let's go and check dollar yen. Is not ready yet for a position. Dollar CAD is not ready yet. Aussie dollar, we have traded it. Euro pound, no squeeze. Pound Aussie, no squeeze. Euro yen, we have traded it. Let it relax a little bit and we will come back. New Zealand CAD, we have a pending order there for short positions. I will cancel that pending order. Is no longer valid. Maybe we will enter short. So I will write here cancel order on New Zealand CAD, and actually New Zealand CAD now is added on my watch list. If we see a break above, we will enter long position. So that's another candidate. Pound dollar, not yet. The Kiwi, we already have a position there. Dollar CHF, we have a position. CAD yen, we have traded it. Let it relax a bit and we will come back. Aussie Canadian dollar, we already have it and we monitored it. Aussie yen, we have a short position on Aussie yen. It looks nice. We will have a look later. Pound Canadian is still not ready. Euro CHF not ready. Euro Aussie, okay. This is another pair that attracts my attention. So a lots of trades coming. Stay with us and we will see how we do today. So a lot of squeeze and breakout signals. Now I'm looking on the New Zealand CAD pair. If we see a squeeze and breakout, I will get ready for a long position on New Zealand CAD. So I get my stuff ready. All I'm looking for is for a squeeze and breakout to the upside to enter a long position on New Zealand Canadian dollar. It's going to be either side breakout. Everything is bullish. Stochastic indicates a break. RSI is above 50. So the only thing that we need is a break above the Bollinger Bands, and it seems that it will do it. We need to wait a bit more, maybe in order to avoid any false signals. You have to be patient in the markets. So all the rest are okay. We are monitoring now New Zealand, Canadian dollar. We are getting ready for a long position there. If we go long, then our stop loss should always be a bit lower than the Bollinger Band at 91.32. So I will have my stop loss ready, 91.32. Okay, guys, I think we are leaving up. So I'm buying now New Zealand Canadian dollar. Oh, it says there invalid 35, not 32. Let's buy it first and then we put our stop loss. So we have just bought long New Zealand Canadian dollar. Our stop loss New Zealand Canadian dollar, let's put it by symbols. Our stop loss should be at 91.34. 91.34 is our stop loss, and we leave our TP open. Let's see how it goes. So that's our next trade for the day. I am monitoring the trades in terms of profits. So let's see how we do. So we have done about New Zealand Canadian dollar. The next instrument that I'm currently monitoring now is Euro Aussie. Remember that today we are doing volatility trading, and that's why we leave our take profits open. As soon as our profitable trades have a profit of $500, $600, $700, then we will manually close them. Dollar CHF is doing okay. New Zealand Canadian dollar is ready to break, and we are just waiting for the break. You see the bands have narrowed too much. Our Aussie dollar trade is doing okay, is more or less where we have traded it. And we have three more pairs to monitor: Euro Aussie, Aussie CAD, and Euro dollar. So that's it from me for the moment. I will keep you updated and posted if I enter any trades. So the last trade I have traded, remember that it was long position on New Zealand Canadian dollar with a stop loss at 91.34, a bit lower than the Bollinger Band. We are speculating for an upside breakout. Most probably we will see it. So that's it from me for the moment. I'm very short, I know, but Forex is like this. Elif, do you want to update? Okay, I'm transferring you now to Elif. Thank you for listening to me.
Hello guys, so before we finish this session today, I just wanted to update you shortly about our open positions. We have two positions on CAC 40. The other one is quite profiting from it's almost there. We have also DAX position and Brent oil position. So for everybody who traded with me, I stick on my trades. What happened? We closed, Richard, Italy 40 with a profit of $1,000. You didn't got our ching ching moment. Great. So our positions, I'm sticking on them, and they will yes, they will continue. I'll stick on them. I have a very tight stop loss and take profit limit set, so I will leave them run and exit them when they hit my take profit. So this is it for now from ourselves. We had a quite nice trading day. Jake, you just went short on DAX. Well, based on what and how long you are trading, how long you are willing to keep this trade open. Definitely, it's not a wrong decision. It's just that we are aiming right now a movement upwards to make to catch our profit. So this is from my side. I hope I will see you all today in the afternoon to have a nice update what happened on our positions. So thank you for listening, and once again, don't forget to follow us on in Farsi. Oh, I don't know. I don't speak Farsi. However, let's see you today afternoon and see what happened with our trades in the afternoon. I see that Kyriakos wants to add something. Thanks a lot, George, and I will see you in a short while, George.
So hello guys again. Just a quick update for dollar CHF trade. As you can see, the trade is making us $335. It's a good take profit level. So let's take it and wait for the afternoon session. So that's an additional cash out $350 on dollar CHF. So far it's just 1 hour. We have made around $1,010. With the exception of this small stop loss, we are up for the day, currently $664 in just 1 hour of trading. We have made a nice queue of profitable trades. We will see what happens in the end of the trading session. Thank you very much, and we are waiting to see you all in our afternoon session. Have a nice day ahead.